Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Tom and this is not working exactly how it's supposed to. So let's get into it. Okay, let me rephrase that. This is working how it's supposed to, but it's making a hell of a buzz that it never used to do. When it's plugged into the wall, it makes a buzzing noise. Let's see if I can show you that. Okay, yeah, let's plug that in. That's not normal. So, I've done a little reading up on it, and apparently there is a capacitor inside that if you change it, stops it from buzzing. So, let's open it up. There we go. There we go. So, there's the mains terminals. There's a cap in there, cap there, cap there. 470 at 16 volts I was told, well I read, that the cap that requires replacing is at 470 at 16 volts, which is that one there. So let's just measure that, see if it's shorting or anything. Seems alright. It's going to be bad to get to. There are these look at these. One connectors. One there, and then this one here. That's going to be not easy to get to. Let's have a do with it. Okay, while I wait for this to heat up, I've just spotted the cap that I'm supposed to be removing that I've read about. You can actually see there's a slight bulge on top of it. The other one seemed fine. That one is bulged, so it would make sense to replace that one. I've acquired some more. .470 at 16 volts, so I managed to remove that and remove that. Well, I've loosened them, they're not been removed yet. I'm just trying to get rid of all these here. Thinking if I can heat all them up at once, just pop it off. With this. Seems to be working. I'm going to try something else. They are separated. There's a lot of faffing around. We got there. Okay. So now you can see the bulge on top of that capacitor. That's what's making the buzzing noise apparently. So let's get that out now. Sorry if a lot of this isn't going on camera. Positive, negative. let's just clean that up a bit now before we put it back together. Perfect. Now let's put the top board back on. Ow! Inevitable. There we go. There, along here. So, they won't pushing up. Won't stop us. We'll solder it back together. Clean it up. Yeah, I think I need a smaller brush. Pop it back together, but there is a heat shield that goes here that sits on this section here. Well, that's the back of that IC there, back of that chip. That's a ball chip, I think. Maybe this should go on here first, because it has a registration hole there. There we go. And just before we screw them back in, let's test and see if if it's buzzing. Hey, no buzzing. Problem fixed. Let's build it back up. Okay, so that was a buzzing little project. But right, well, sorted. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked, subscribe if you want to see more, and see you later.